Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2006 Yamaha Vstar 650 Classic. This bike's got just a little under 22,500 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Has been tipped over gently on the left-hand side, but it's really minimal, so I'll show you as we go around. Otherwise, this bike is all stock and pretty much ready to roll. So, as you can see here, everything here is in good shape. Tires are in great shape, got a lot of miles left on them. You can see a little scraping there on the front fender, but I'll go through that as we come around the other side. I'll match it up with the stuff. Floorboards for the driver. A little ding in the tank right there. A little tiny rock chip. Rear tire's in great shape, got a lot of miles left on that. So when it tipped over on this side, I don't know if it went all the way down or if it just tipped over against something, but we got a little scrape in there on the left side of the tail. And again, footboards for the driver with a heel-toe shifter combo. Tank is nice and clean, no dents, no big scratches, anything like that from the tip over. And then on this side here, we've got a little nick in the edge of the front fender. And then on this side, we've got some scratching. You can tell where it went over. And then we got another little ding there that's been touched up. So, like I said, it's really minimal. So, alright, and there is your miles, 22,459. This Vstar 650 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.